Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how I build a powerful website from scratch which is tailored to a specific brand. So let's talk about what are the things that I do before building any website. The first one is understanding the brand DNA. So this is what I will do at first. I will get the idea of what the brand is all about, what they are trying to do, who is that brand for, what customer will get from that brand. So this is what understanding the brand DNA means, and this is what I will do at first. The second thing which I will do is competitor analysis. So I will go to some of the website in that industry and find out what are the terms and what are the sections they are using in the website, so that that website are performing good, whether their traffic is high and they are getting good sales or not. The competitor analysis I usually do when I have to build any website in an industry where I don't have any knowledge about that specific industry. But if I already have some information about that industry, then I skip this part. Now let's talk about the next part, which is crafting the visual identity. So what does crafting the visual identity means? It means that I will find out which font style which match this brand, and which font color should I have to use, which background color that I have to use, what are the images I will select in the visual identity. In this case, what are the theme of the website will be, what will be the color of the call to action button. So these are the things that I will do in this crafting the visual identity phase. Now let's talk about the next phase, which is designing for user experience. In this phase I will try to simplify the UI based on the user experience. I will go through the design that I have done, that I will do as a user perspective, and then I will see what are the complications they will face in the website, how many buttons I'm adding in the website, so that whether they are getting confused or not before taking any action. So these are the things that I will do in this phase, and try to optimize the website for user experience, so that they don't have any confusion or they don't have any problem buying your services or your product. Now let's talk about the next part, which is building the website, which is UI plus development. Then in this phase I will make sure that what are the technology I have to use. If they are comfortable in React.js, then I will use React.js for building the website. But if they are not comfortable in coding and they want to have the capabilities so that they can update the website themselves without having a knowledge of coding or programming, then I will build the website in WordPress if they are comfortable in that. Let's suppose if the website is of e-commerce and I'm building the website in WordPress, I will make sure that whatever the client's requirements are, I will try to gather all the tools and technology beforehand, so that I don't face any problem when I have started the development. So this is what I will do in this phase. Now let's talk about the next phase, which is adding the copy and storytelling layer. What does this mean is I will try to add the copy in a way that I'm talking to any human being. I would try to convey all of my copy in a way that I'm telling a story to the users which will visit my website. So this is what I will do in this section, and I will imagine that I'm talking to a next human being, and what are the things I have to say to the next human being. So this is what I will do in this section. Now let's talk about the last step, which is optimize and launch. So in this case, I will test the website thoroughly, that if there are any issues, like whether the email is being sent or not automatically on the automation, if they have any issue in the mobile optimization or responsiveness, if the button is not working. So this is what I will check in this phase, and then I will launch the website. So these are the things which I keep in mind before I build any website which is professional and high converting. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.